Welcome to Dollar Dynamics, your go-to channel for mastering personal finance and investing. I'm your financial advisor, and today, we're diving into a topic that's the foundation of financial success: budgeting. So why is budgeting so crucial? Well, think of a budget as your financial roadmap. It helps you track where your money is going, avoid unnecessary debt, and ensure you're saving for the future. Without a budget, it's easy to lose control of your finances and fall short of your goals. Now let's talk about how to create a simple yet effective budget. We'll break it down into 5 easy steps. First, determine your total monthly income. This includes your salary, side hustles, investments, and any other sources of income. Next, list all your monthly expenses. These include fixed costs like rent and utilities, as well as variable costs like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Divide your expenses into categories: needs, wants, and savings. Needs are essential, like rent and groceries. Wants are non-essential, like eating out. And savings include emergency funds and retirement plans. Now, set clear financial goals. These could be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like buying a house. Your budget should align with these goals. Finally, track your spending regularly. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet to monitor where your money goes. Adjust your budget as needed to stay on track. Now, before you start budgeting, here are a few common mistakes to watch out for. 1. Being too restrictive. Don't make your budget so tight that it's impossible to stick to. Allow some flexibility for unexpected expenses. 2. Not accounting for irregular expenses. Remember to budget for those expenses that don't come monthly, like car maintenance or holiday shopping. 3. Forgetting to review your budget. Your budget isn't set in stone. Regularly review and adjust it to reflect changes in your income or expenses. There are plenty of tools that can help you with budgeting. Here are a few popular ones. 1. Apps like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget. 2. Simple Excel or Google Sheets templates. 3. Printable budget planners for those who prefer pen and paper. And that's it. Budgeting might seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's a game changer for your financial life. So what are you waiting for? Start your budget today and take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to Dollar Dynamics for more smart money moves, and share this video with anyone who could use a little help with their finances. See you in the next video.